Hi, I'm Alexander and today is my colour of the month. So first off, this is the human hair wig Dara. I thought I'd show in Dara today because you can see all of that length of the blend. Now what I love about this colour, which is called highlighted brown roots, is the tones. Often when I do a colour of the month, I sometimes show the brights and the wacky and the fun stuff. But let's just look how amazing this is. That root tone is to die for. Just looks fantastic, very, very subtle. And for me, it's the blend. You know, that wonderful blend, those highlights and lowlights running through. Now, as a colorist for over 20 years, I'm telling you, actually 25 years plus of a colorist, this is a very, very hard color to achieve. Okay, and she just looks amazing. So again, this is in the human hair wig Dara. This is my colour of the month, and this colour is highlighted brown roots.